Nicha Yontararak, better known by her nickname and stage name Minnie, is a Thai singer-songwriter and actress based in South Korea. He was born on October 23, 1997 in Bangkok, Thailand. She was born into a musical family with her mother, aunt and uncle playing the piano. Minnie has been playing piano since she was 5 and taking vocal lessons since she was 7 years old. Her mom was her main influence for loving music. She always watched her mom playing the piano and learned to play it from her. Minnie landed her first solo magazine cover for Elle Official's Thailand June 2021 edition. Since then, she has been on the cover of Sarspoda, Vogue, Harper's Bazaar and Elle. She also appeared in an advertisement for Nespresso and Chiara Ferragni's limited edition coffee drink. In 2021, Minnie co-composed Moon and Dahlia, which was released on January 11 for her group's fourth extended play, I Burn. She is a member of South Korean girl group G-Idol, who is debuted on May 2, 2018 under Cube Entertainment. In 2020, Minnie participated in writing and composing I Am the Trend and Tang Tang alongside FCM Houdini. On May 2, 2018, Minnie debuted with G-Idol with their mini album I Am and the title song Latata. She received positive reviews for having a unique, attractive and soothing voice. On March 23, 2016, Minnie was revealed to the public through Cube Entertainment's official Instagram. On November 5, she was featured in Jun So Yeon's performance stage at Unpretty Rapstar 3 concert. In June 2017, she participated in a promotional video for Rising Star Cosmetics along with Sang Yuti and Shuwa, future members for G-Idol. The same year, Minnie was given an opportunity to feature for Line Friends' Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and 6 songs in Dance Party, children's English songs. In September 2014, she participated in the Cube Star World Audition in Thailand and came to South Korea in 2015, after her mother encourages her giving it once-in-a-life opportunity. In 2021, she starred in drama So Not Worth It.